In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build and test a Ruby project with Rake in GitHub. We'll start inside your Ruby project's repository on GitHub. Before you begin, make sure your project includes a Rake file and a test task so Rake knows what to run. With the repo open, head to the Actions tab at the top. This is where GitHub Actions lives and where we'll set up continuous integration for your Ruby app. On the Actions page, click New Workflow. GitHub will show a library of ready-made workflows. Choose the option to pick from the available templates. In the categories that appear, select Continuous Integration to narrow things down. From there, pick Ruby. You'll see templates authored by GitHub. Select the one labeled Build and test a Ruby project with Rake by GitHub Actions. This template is designed to install Ruby, set up Bundler, and run your Rake tasks automatically. Click Configure to open the workflow editor. You'll land on a page that creates a new file at .github/workflows/ruby YAML. If you see a highlighted area or banner indicating the new workflow, go ahead and proceed. The editor shows the YAML content for your pipeline. It defines when the workflow runs, sets up a job on a Linux runner, installs the specified Ruby version, caches your gems, runs bundle install, and finally executes Rake, which triggers your tests. If you want to review how it looks when committed, click Preview. Switch back to Edit if you'd like to inspect the steps again. Even if you don't change anything, this default template is a solid starting point for most projects that use Rake to drive tests. When you're satisfied, create the new workflow file in the repository. This will commit the ruby.yml file to your default branch under .github/workflows. As soon as it's committed, GitHub will queue a run automatically based on the default triggers, and you can watch it from the Actions tab. A few quick pointers as it runs. The job will use the Ruby version specified in the matrix. If your app needs a different version, you can adjust that later in the YAML. Ensure your Rake file includes a test task. Many projects alias this to spec or test, so the Rake command exits with the correct status. If you rely on additional services or environment variables, you can expand the workflow later with service containers or secrets. That's it. You've used GitHub's template to build